one of the older kids born in March, but generally he loves to come out. And he's a little sweetie. Hi. Hi, cutie. You want to come up? Hi. What a good boy. Yeah, what a good boy you are. He's a doll. Okay. Come on, babe. Okay, this is that little cutie. Clearly a male, and a very cute little guy. Hi, sweetie. He's kind of a nose bag. Very inquisitive. You're a cutie pie, huh? You step up? Atta boy. Up. Here you go. He's a good boy. Yeah, you're a cutie pie, aren't you? You are a little cutie. Yeah, you are. You're a little cutie pie. Yeah. Up. There you go. He is just one of the kids that is available. Right now he was hand-fed. All the kids that I have left were all hand-fed. And this one in particular is a sweetheart. Yeah, he's a little sweetie. So anyway, he needs a good loving home. If you're interested in him or any of the others, there's a lot of females too. I think I have one other male, possibly two, and the rest are females. Hi, you talking, huh? Very good. What a cutie you are. Yeah. Anyway, if you're interested, message me. This is, I believe this is the other male, and this is the darker blue. It's a very purple seer. This is a nice young kid, and I believe this is the other male. And he's a good boy too. Once they're out for a few minutes, they calm down very nicely. You're a cutie. The females do too. It's kind of an old wives' tale that only the males make good pets. So this is the other one. He's a cutie. And this is one of the girls. She's also the darker blue. Hi. Show off how pretty you are. You're a pretty girl. And they're okay too once they're out. Everybody needs about 3 or 4 minutes to be chased down, and then they relax a little bit, realize that you're not going to eat them, and they settle. You're a good girl, huh? Go put you back, Joe. So there's 2 boys and 7 girls, I think. Okay, ready to go back?